Battery was hooked up. I'll hook the battery first. What it do, Tube You? I am back. I just got the switch in for the trolling motor. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like and possibly help somebody else out who have the same kind of trolling motor, same kind of trolling motor problems with the switch. So this is the switch right here. I ordered it on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna get it installed here and get it installed here and see if it works. Fingers crossed. Here's the new switch. There's the new switch, how it looks. Switch goes in first. Alright, that's not in the right place. Oh shit. There we go. Now we can do it. Alright, switch part is in. I need to see that. Forgot the battery was hooked up. Unhook the battery first. That's it. I think I might have just had the ground and the negative wrong on the back of the switch when I put it in, because when I turned it on, when I hooked the battery up and I came and hit it, I just heard a pop. So I hear it went back there. It didn't nothing move. I made sure then I hear it unplugged it to make sure nothing burnt up. Hopefully the switch is still some good. Let's switch those two wires and see if that's what it is. I'm not even sure. I'm just hoping that's what it is. So let's see. Let's do that. Well, if y'all just seen, hurt my hand from grabbing that goddamn wire, and I just fried the trolling motor. The whole pedal under there, all the wires are just gone. So, return from a $25 switch has now turned into me getting a $1,200 Ultra. trolling motor. Don't know what happened. The wires must have been fried under there. There's now some toggle switches in this one. So, found those toggle switches in there, just tucked off in the back. Have no clue what they go to. I don't know what's up with that. Reached in there to grab the trolling motor battery wires. You see, apparently that was another wire. The two of it is burnt. It's gone. Can't even grab the black one. What I'm thinking is those wires were touching under there. That's the only thing I can see. From the first time when it did it, yeah, that's the only thing I can see, because the first time I did that. Oh, let me get these pulleys out. See? Two wires. This is what happened in here. Oh man, it's fried in there. It is fried. Long story short, I'm gonna have to take all of this apart to get inside there. The wires that I melted are these here. Gotta get inside there to get that. That's melted. That's the switch to the toggle. So that melted. Positive wire going to it right there has melted. It don't look like that caught fire. So what it's looking like is I'm gonna have to replace one wire and that switch. So I ended up being able to take two wires and putting some connector ends on them and taking care of what I melted the first time. Got all that back together. Got everything put back together basically the way it should be. Let me show you. Alright, here's the switch. This is actually positive. That black wire comes from back here as a positive wire. And it's negative, so that is hooked up right. But for some reason, every time I hook up, my battery wires to the trolling motor, power wires and everything, and press the button, it pops, it makes a spark in the line, so I don't know what's going on. I tried tracing the wire all the way to the battery, making sure nothing was touching. I traced the wire from the trolling motor, the high and the negative, the red and the negative, all the way back in here, took this off, pressed it all the way down just to make sure. And nothing's touching, nothing's touching, nothing's touching. But every time I hit this button, it pops. So I know something's not right. The numbers on the button are the exact numbers of the button I took off. They are made a little different just because it's a new part. They just made it a little different. So probably gonna take that back off and try to get another button and see if that helps it out. But in the meantime, as of right now, I'm stuck like Chuck. Don't look like we'll be going out this weekend with no doggone trolling motor. So that's where we're at, man. And until next time, when you see me